Welcome back, Mr. Wash-Off-Shul. Today, we're going to rescue another extremely muddy vehicle. Let's go find it. Maybe it's over there. Let's check. Keep looking, it has to be nearby. I think we found it. Oh, that's much bigger than I expected. This mud is completely dried onto the paint. Look at this tire. It's completely buried in dirt. Right. We can barely see the windows. This is gonna take a lot of work. Let's get started. Easy, keep coming. Let's get the pressure washer ready. Everything looks ready. Let's start with the loose mud. The mud is coming off already. The grill is finally starting to appear. There's still a thick layer underneath. These stairs were completely covered. Get underneath this section. We're finally seeing the way. We're finally seeing the real color. Let's clear the roof first. The glass is coming back. I can finally see the window edges. Finish the mirror mounts too. That's a huge difference. There's still grime around the edges. Check the corners carefully. The cab looks completely different now. There is mud trapped along this entire edge. Get into that corner. This section is packed with dried mud.
Cover every section with foam. Give it one more rinse. Give it one more rinse. There's still dirt around the suspension. There's mud deep inside every groove.
The mechanical area is looking much better.
This is the toughest mud so far.
The tires finally look massive again.
The tire fighting, das war's again. Und das sind wir.
Let the foam work into the tread. Check the details one more time. I can't believe how different it looks. We brought it back.